It is this sense of purpose that empowers us to perform at the highest level for the athletes and communities we serve. Financial evaluation of Dick's over the last 5 years. They've been able to show steady sales growth for the last 5 years. They did have one year where where they did go a little backwards, but they rebounded right back. And then they were able to have great success through the pandemic, actually. And this is due in part to their implementation of the curbside pickup feature that they added for customers. Customers really enjoyed the fact that obviously they could go and get their stuff without having to worry about going into the store and having less contact with people. They actually think that the curbside pickup is here to stay and it's not going to go away, even whenever the pandemic is over. Their e-commerce sales, obviously, well, they surged during this time, obviously because people were doing less in-person shopping and more online, and that goes hand in hand with the curbside pickup. A quick SWOT analysis for Dick's. They were able to, some of their strengths, they were able to establish their quality name brand and, like I said, their core competency. They kept the customers coming back, always having that vast selection of items, always having exactly what they needed. Um, their From their mission statement, you can tell that their goal was to build a strong connection with the communities that they served. They do this through providing sponsorships for youth sports programs and leagues. Um, an opportunity for them, probably the biggest opportunity that they could possibly have is a growing world economy with the emerging markets in specifically Asia and India that they should really look into getting involved with. But we'll touch on that a little later. Uh, their growing e-commerce usage among customers, obviously this surged during the pandemic, and it's going to continue to grow as it becomes more and more a convenience for customers to use rather than the actual going into the stores. More and more people are becoming conscious of their health, which obviously uh, makes the demand for fitness clothes go up, demand for dicks going up.